Hey Spectrum, I'm Preston.
And I'm the United States of America, and welcome to Noise News.
Let's get right into the news today.
Alrighty. Hey everybody, Snow Days is approaching and we need to find out who our Snow Days royalty will be. As a reminder, Snow Days royalty represents the students with the most school spirit and represent the leaders of Spectrum. High schoolers, check your email for the ballot and vote for 2 girls and 2 boys. Voting will end Friday at 11:59 p.m.
Yeah, so make sure you get your votes in and choose wisely.
Dun dun dun!
Yeah.
Anyways, remember that we don't have school on Monday, so don't come in.
Yepperoni, now let's get over to sports. Hi.
Hey Spectrum, it's Ben. Yesterday, wrestling had a match at St. Croix Lutheran and played Mountain West Tonka and St. Croix Lutheran. Also, girls had a game against West Lutheran. Today, boys basketball plays West Lutheran and wrestling plays Painesville area. That's all the sports we have for you today, Spectrum. Now over to a commercial break.
Oh crap, I'm gonna be late. There's a truck.
You're gonna be late.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
No.
Clocking in.
I'm not gonna be late.
It's 7:59. You best hurry. Oh no. Roughing it. He's roughing it. Here comes the speed bump.
We're not stopping.
Caution speed limit. Oh, Betsy, hold on.
I'm going Mach 7. I ain't gonna miss my classes today.
Oh,
this
no.
is my education
You're
and
gonna
I'm
be late. You're
taking
gonna
the
be late.
wheel. Taking it today,
Speed bump.
boys.
It's gonna be late.
No,
You're
I'm
gonna
not.
be late. You're gonna be
I'm
late.
gonna make it.
You're
I'm gonna be
You're gonna be
late.
late. You're gonna be late.
No.
You're gonna be late.
Okay. Whew.
Don't be like Josh. When the new semester starts, you get new classes. Make sure to check your schedule so you know where you're going.
That's all the news we have for today, Spectrum. This has been Yusa Stiller.
And Preston Holmes keeping you
In
in
on
on
the
the
noise.
noise.
Make the noise with my mouth. I'm a good beatboxer. Boom.
That'll work.
Who is it? Julian Jackson?
Oh no.
I don't want him in this classroom. Now it's time for some personal conversations. I'm 5'10", 140 pounds, and white. Out of all the things we could have done, we said a dude stand behind the camera and go dun dun dun.
Yeah, well.
Really? That's what technology enriched school. Caleb, cue the music. Dun dun dun.
Okay, ready? Here we go.
Well, that's all the news we have for today, Spectrum. This has been Preston Holmes.
No!
Preston.
I'm not saying I'm Yusa.
Preston!
No.
Why?
Ready?
We're done with the news, guys. I'm Yusa.
Preston, you in on the noise.
In on the noise. Well, that's all the news.
No.
Stop it. I'm gonna kill myself.
Ready?
That's a blooper.